Hello again. Today we are going to discuss Trig identities in another level. So yeah, we have double angles. So double angles, that means we have sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is a double angle of 2 sine theta cos theta. That means sometimes when you see sine 2 theta, you can replace it with 2 sine theta cos theta. And we have cos 2 theta, and this double angle has 3 formulas. First one is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Another one is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. And another one is cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. That means on this one you decide what to choose. So from here, let's proceed. We have a question here that says prove the identity. 1 plus cos A plus cos 2A all over sin A plus sin 2A is equal to cot A. So since we have to prove, we have two sides, the left side and the right hand side. So since the right hand side is totally simplified, that means we're gonna leave right hand side and deal with the left hand side. So from here, let me start here. Let me see the left hand side. The left hand side is equal to left hand side, okay, it's 1 plus cos A plus cos 2A is cos 2A all over sin A sin A plus sin 2A. So from here we said these are double angles. There is sin 2A, there is cos 2A. Since sin 2A is only one formula, but cos 2A is 3 formulas. So from cos 2A, let's see, from here we have 1 plus cos 2A, cos A plus, since here at the top we only have cos's, we only have cos and cos, so that means we're going to replace cos 2A with the formula with cos only, no sign, with cos only. So that means it's 2 cos squared A, so it's 2 cos squared theta minus 1. That means instead of cos 2A, we're gonna say it's 2 cos square A minus 1 all over sine A. This one is sine A sine A plus, since the double angle of sine 2A is 2, there's only one formula, that means it's 2 sine A cos A. It means it's sine A times cos A. So let's see from here. Yes. Okay, let me write this one starting with this one. That's 2 cos squared A plus this one, that means it's cos A. Okay, since it's 1 minus 1, that means this one minus this one is 0. So at the top we're left with 2 sine cos squared A plus cos A. So here at the bottom, let me start with this one. It's 2 sine A is 2 sine A cos A, 2 sine A cos A plus, cos is plus, positive and positive is positive, so this one is sine A. Okay, so from here let's check at the top. We have cos and cos. That means we can take cos because they're all cos's. So we can take cos outside as the common factor and open the bracket. Since it's cos squared A, that means we're gonna left with, okay, sorry, since it's cos, it's 2 cos squared A, and we took cos A, as a common factor. We took cos A as a common factor. That means we'll be left with 2. We'll be left with 2 cos A, because 2 cos A times cos A, it will give us 2 cos A cos squared A. So plus, here we took cos outside, that means we'll be left with 1. So cos A times 1, it will be cos A. So we'll be left with 1 there. And at the bottom, we have only signs. We have 2 sine A cos A plus sine A. So we can take sine A, since sine is common, we can take sine A as a common factor and open the bracket. Since we took sine A as a common factor, that means here we'll be left with 2 cos A since sine A times 2 cos A, it will be 2 sine A cos A. So plus, since we have positive there, we took sine as a common factor. That means there we'll be left with 1. So sine A times 1 is sine A. So from here, since we're multiplying top and the bottom, we're multiplying, and we have something common. So at the top we have 2 cos A plus 1. At the bottom we have 2 cos A plus 1. That means here, these cancel this, they divide each other, then we'll be left with cos A at the top divide sine A at the bottom. So yeah, now we're left with cos A divided sine A. And since we know that cos A divided sine A is equal to cot, it's a reciprocal of tan, it's cot A, we're left with cot A. Cos A divided sine A is cot A. So since our right hand side is equal to cot Since our right hand side is equal to cot A, as you can see, our right hand side is cot A, and our left hand side we got cot A. That means, therefore, we can conclude that, therefore, our left hand side, now we're concluding that our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. So this what we were looking for. So we found that our left hand side is equal to our right hand side. That means this identity is proven, that our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is the end of the video. If you have any question, please email me at alphamagazine@gmail.com, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.